Imagine a civilization so advanced, it had plumbing before Rome, yet vanished mysteriously. Welcome to the enigma of the Harappa civilization. Dating back to 3300 BCE, the Harappa civilization flourished in the Indus Valley, spanning modern-day Pakistan and northwest India.
Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, its major cities, boasted unparalleled urban planning, featuring grid layouts, fortified areas, and advanced drainage systems.
Their drainage system remains a marvel, with homes connected to main sewers, showcasing remarkable engineering prowess. Pottery unearthed reveals intricate designs, indicating a rich culture. Trade routes connected them to Mesopotamia, reflecting a thriving economy. Despite extensive discoveries, their script remains undeciphered, shrouding their beliefs and governance in mystery. What led to their decline? We continue our journey through the Harappa civilization. Known for its remarkable urban planning, let's explore the sophisticated drainage systems and layout of these ancient cities. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro boasted advanced drainage systems. Streets were lined with covered drains, a marvel of engineering that ensured cleanliness and sanitation for city dwellers. Pottery from Harappa provides insight into daily life and culture. Intricate designs and varied shapes suggest both utilitarian and artistic purposes, highlighting the civilization's craftsmanship. Trade was vital for Harappans. Artifacts reveal extensive trading networks, reaching Mesopotamia and beyond. Goods like beads, ceramics, and textiles were exchanged, showcasing economic prowess. The Harappan script remains a mystery. Hundreds of symbols carved on seals and pottery hint at a complex language, yet it remains undeciphered, leaving us to wonder about its secrets. Religion in Harappa involved worship of nature and animal figures. Seals depict various deities and rituals, suggesting a spiritual life deeply intertwined with daily existence and governance. The Harappa civilization, flourishing around 2500 BC, saw advanced urban planning. Streets in grid patterns, impressive drainage systems, and multi-storied buildings were common. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro's drainage systems were a marvel. Each house had a bathroom, and wastewater was directed into covered drains along the streets. Pottery was an essential craft. Intricate designs and techniques evolved over time. Skilled artisans produced both utilitarian and decorative pieces, showcasing their advanced craftsmanship. Trade was extensive, with evidence of transactions with Mesopotamia. Goods like beads, metals, and textiles were exchanged, highlighting a robust economic system. The Harappan script, still undeciphered, consists of symbols on seals and pottery. These inscriptions could reveal much about their language, governance, and daily life. Religious practices included worship of natural elements and possibly Protoshua symbols. Terracotta figurines and seals suggest a rich spiritual life intertwined with daily activities. In Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, town planning was a marvel. Streets followed a grid pattern, designed for efficient movement and organization. Houses had access to public wells. The drainage system of Harappa was highly advanced. Underground drains built with bricks ran along the streets, showcasing early engineering ingenuity in waste management. Harappan pottery, decorated with intricate designs, reveals a lot about their artistic skills. These artifacts help us understand their daily lives and cultural practices. Trade was an essential aspect of Harappan civilization. They exchanged goods with distant regions, including Mesopotamia, which helped them prosper economically. The Harappan script, still undeciphered, remains one of the most intriguing aspects. This script, found on seals and pottery, indicates a well-established system of communication. Religion in Harappa included worship of nature and fertility deities. Archaeological findings suggest rituals and possibly temples, though much is still left to uncover. As we conclude our journey through the Harappa civilization, we reflect on its remarkable achievements. From advanced urban planning to intricate pottery, Harappa stands as a testament to ancient ingenuity. The well-planned cities and efficient drainage systems highlight their commitment to public welfare. Their sophisticated trade networks showcase their economic prowess and far-reaching influence. Despite the mysteries surrounding their script and religious practices, the artifacts reveal a society rich in culture and daily life. These discoveries paint a vivid picture of their extraordinary way of living. The decline of Harappa remains a topic of debate among scholars. Whether due to climate change, invasions, or other factors, the end of this civilization marks a significant historical shift. Modern archaeology continues to unravel Harappa's secrets, offering new insights with each dig. The enduring legacy of Harappa inspires us to delve deeper into our ancient past. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. To learn more, dive into the world of ancient civilizations and their lasting impact. The story of Harappa is far from over.